At Eighth Life, and I'm showing you today a prototype that I'm working on for a rocket stove. So a rocket stove is a really efficient way of burning wood to create heat for different things. In this case, it's heat for a hot bath, for doing laundry and cleaning yourself and relaxing. And I'm working on a prototype with some of the materials we found around the finca today. So I'm going to show you how it might work. So here is the combustion chamber where the fire happens. This is the place where we feed the fuel. It's self-feeding because as it burns, the gravity pushes it down. And then the key component to this stove is the horizontal airflow here that passes past the point of combustion at the wood and then into a heat riser. Now this is just a mock-up here, but the heat riser will carry the heat up into a larger barrel, and then the barrel directs airflow back down and then out the bottom into a cavity beneath the tub that will warm the water. So the key things to figure out are to make sure that all the connections are really airtight. And right now I'm trying to figure out how the fuel chamber will connect to the heat riser, which we have back here. Once the hot air comes up through the heat riser, the key will be just to create some space here for the air to come down around and through while supporting the barrel. Okay, the maiden voyage of the rocket stove laundry bath sauna. Let's hope it works like the internet says it will. Would help if I knew how to do matches. So it comes out here first, and then the idea is that the draft should continue. Oh, is that happening? It should continue back at a certain point. Well, I see the smoke coming out of the barrel.
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, it is. Okay, well I think that.
But some is coming out here too.
Take a look in the top. It's going this way.
Very nice.
Aha! And the smoke's coming out the chimney.
Perfect.
So this is the second test of the rocket stove, and was more successful than the first test, but still some challenges. The smoke was traveling well through the system and coming out through the makeshift chimney we constructed, but we are noticing that the fire is having a difficult time getting oxygen, and also the vertical fuel chase is the fire's coming out instead of going in. So we are thinking about revising the design of this area with maybe a diagonal chase this way and some air gaps in the bottom to help the oxygen flow better. So we'll see a third time how it works. So we have a successful sustained burn happening. And we filled the pot up with some water, and it's getting nice and toasty in just a few minutes. With the help of Valeria and Jamel, we've got the vent on the bottom, which is letting the air come up and the ash fall down. So hopefully that's allowing more oxygen in. And we're closing this. And then the pot is lower so that there's less space on the top of the heat riser. Inside we see this fire getting sucked back towards the heat riser. So we have ourselves the water heating rocket stove.